Disclaimer: nothing in this video is real. Everything that is done by trained professionals.
I'm with that shit and my brother gon' bang. Feeling for mess like she on cocaine. Dropping the top on the court, ain't no brain. Tellin' free shot, but I'm going insane. Knowing I fuck, but I still want your sister. I had to tell a hoe, get with the system. Play with that sap, boy, you know I'm gon' blitz him. Clown that nigga, boy, you know I'm finna bitch him. I feel like my hand itchy. If by time nigga get that money. Got a new hoe, she love me. And I can tell by the way she fuck me, bitch. I ain't gotta do too much, won't say too much.
Alright, bet. This is gonna be the first video of fucking 2025, nigga. I forgot to say this. Make sure to like, sub, and comment, bro. Liking and commenting gives me the algorithm, bro, and it makes my videos pop up a little bit more. So it makes my shit do good. So make sure to do that shit, bitch. Sorry, 2025. Should this bitch up. A little fit cheeky for me. So I'm like, the only reason I got this shit on is because my keys is on that bitch. But let's fuck in the room real quick. Finally got my own room. Goddamn. Niggas been sick, bro. Alright, it's currently 8:11. Niggas complaining already. He's changing his heads out. He got upgraded headers. His girl wanted him something, so we better go over there and see what's good. Take my medicine real quick, and then give you guys a little POV of me going over there. It's like a 20-minute drive now. But let it drip down and shit. I have not slept, bro. Oh my God, bro. I fucking woke up at 8 or 9 p.m. and could not go back to sleep. But on my grand shit this year, bro, so fuck it. Fuck, I need some water. Alright, but I'm gonna go take my medicine real quick, and then we're gonna be at this bitch. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. You guys are for a little cold start. Fuck, bro. Alright, so let's say one thing, bro. I don't even live in a cold place, bro. Nigga, how the fuck? Fuck. Cold as dick, bro.
Why are you gay?
30. My nigga, I'm in Arkansas. Let's see the weather app right now. Shit's right here. Yeah. It's fucking 17 out right now, bro. I was complaining about 30. It's gonna be fucking cooked. Yeah. So I'm gonna thumb this, not that video. Yeah, this video. Not that one. Alright. That was just like a random ass video I filmed at night when I was trying to come up with ideas, but that's low key video. That look. I would. You know I needed you. Why would you leave me?
Shut your stupid.
Oh, while we're on the way, I want to show you guys something. What are we thinking? A C63 2009. They come with a 6.2 or 6.3. I don't know, bro. Low key, if it's a 6.2 or 6.3. Cause like it dead ass doesn't matter anymore, bro. They sold the car. It got sold in like fucking 4 days, bro. It was dead ass up for like a couple days and it got fucking sold. And I took too long to fucking make an offer. So fuck. There's pictures of them, right? And on the side it says 6.3. And then whenever you like, I was looking at videos last night, and what it was, a lot of people would say would be like, oh, it's a 6.2. So I don't know what's the difference, but the car is fucking fairly cheap for it having 100,000 miles on it, and it's from a dealership in Ohio. I'd make a.
I don't give a fuck.
I honestly like the sound of the good sounding for a V6, bro. You can't tell me it doesn't sound pretty decent. It doesn't, like, I feel like no. Now you can tell me otherwise, because right now it kind of sounds like a fucking racer, but before that, it actually sounded pretty good. With just the tips. Niggas license plate said bye. But yeah, so that's kind of the move. 23 for a V6, we're tripping. Not just any V6, a V6 Charger. You're paying 23. That Musty wanted to keep up.
There much later.
Hey, shut the fuck up! What the fuck is that? Huh? Ooh, which one is it? Huh? Which one is it? Oh, for? Okay, nigga, chill out. I'm gonna fuck you.
Brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
This not a regular haircut, it's got the pipes in it.
This ain't no standard Hellcat, bitch, it got the pipes in it.
Bitch, you're heavy. Bitches are nice though. I said these bitches are nice though. For real?
Oh, she recording, bro? Oh, go, nigga.
Oh shit. Before he catches up.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Bro, this nigga is in a Pathfinder, bro. He's in a Pathfinder. Bro, it was 9 in the morning, bro. What the fuck was he doing? Bro, this nigga's in a Pathfinder with a fucking ski mask and a hat on. It's a Rogue, bro. It's not even a Pathfinder. Oh, fuck. Fuck! This nigga's turning either way. Oh, that's not even worth it anymore. Actually.
The shiesty is crazy, bro.
You see why the fuck I have a fucking cameraman all the time where I wear that headshot, bro. Because if I'm fucking recording, bro, you can't see shit. What the fuck? These niggas are on some weird shit today, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Oh god, I'm shifting over here.
This nigga. I'm not doing it. That's it, that's it. First.
Nice.
In the motherfucker low. Got a nigga cutting up IRL, bro. What the fuck?
3:28 a.m.
Better put these bitches on. Better put these bitches on.
You got some gloves?
You don't have shit in the.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Bro, that nigga deadass scared me, bro. The first time we read that shit, bro. Like, I'm gonna just show you guys again. Like, fuck. That shit was loud as fuck. God damn.
Oh fuck.
Fuck. Imagine that bitch hauling ass on down the fucking. Bro, this bitch just sounds mean as shit, bro. Bro, that shit took that ass 12 hours. What? This video's been all over the fucking place, bro. I've just been working the whole day, bro. Cause fuck, bro. I've been here since fucking like almost 9, and it's about to be 9. But we barely got this shit done, bro. And it's not even fully done either. Alright, so I know this video was kind of all over the fucking place. I kind of didn't want to film because it was all a bunch of bullshit. Like, it was all just fucking dealing with that shit, bro. It's fucking 8:18, and we started. I got over there. Fuck, I don't even remember, bro. I've been here dead ass 12 hours. I feel like about. So I'm done. I'm running off no fucking sleep, and I'm sick. I have work tomorrow. At least I don't have work till fucking 4. But yeah. Alright, it's the end of the fucking video. I always forget to do an intro outro, as you guys fucking know already. But yeah, that's the end, bro. Make sure to go fucking follow me on Insta and on TikTok, and make sure to fucking like and subscribe, bro. You'll be fucking me, bro. Go drop a comment or some shit, bro. Give me the fucking algorithm so I can actually fucking pop the fuck off, bro, and keep doing this shit. You feel me? If you guys like this shit, I'll see you guys next time.